Take another hit, but I'm already high. Told myself I wouldn't, why do I even try?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I am a Playboy bunny today, and I actually had this costume from like 10 years ago, and I was like, what should I be for Halloween? And I always have so many outfits and looks and events to go to, and I feel like the bunny's always my favorite. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial. The bunny suit that I have is actually teal, and I actually got a bunch of really cute glitter and blue makeup. I thought I would do this really cute teal makeup look. I guess Playboy bunnies or Playmates usually have the classic pinup kind of like brown neutral look, but that would just be another one of my regular makeup tutorials. So I thought I would do this fun Halloween blue Playboy bunny makeup tutorial. I hope you guys like this video and like this tutorial. If you guys are new to my channel, hi guys, my name is Arika. I do beauty, fashion, and fitness videos and vlogs here on YouTube. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the subscribe button below. And if you guys like this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. But without further ado, let's get started on this fun Playboy bunny teal Playmate makeup tutorial. So I have nothing on my face, and as always, I am going to start with my eyes because we're going to do a smoky blue eye. I'm going to start with this Milani eyeshadow primer. I've been loving this primer. It's so amazing. And then I'm going to use the one palette from Lawless, and it's an amazing eyeshadow palette with all of your neutrals and basics, kind of like a palette that you really need on the go. It's amazing. And this is brand new, it just came out, but I've been using it, obviously you guys can tell. And I'm gonna start with this color right here, which is the color First Base. And I'm gonna put it all over my lids, and that would be my base color. I always put a lighter color on my base every time I do a smoky eye, just because I feel like it just blends well together with everything. So I love doing that. And the brush that I use is from MOTD Cosmetics, the Build and Blend brush. And these are all vegan, cruelty-free brushes that I've been really loving a lot. And then I'm gonna use this brush right here. It's called the Miss Shady Lady brush from MOTD Cosmetics. And then I'm gonna take this beautiful Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsessions blue palette. And I'm gonna take this teal color right here. And I'm gonna put it on my lids halfway up, like a half circle. And this is gonna be your background color of the colors, and that's gonna create a really pretty eye. This pencil brush, it is the Masterpiece Crease from MOTD Cosmetics, and I'm gonna take this color right here from the Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsessions. It is like a shimmery teal blue color, and I'm gonna actually just put it all over the lid, not all the way up, leaving the last teal color in the background and putting it on the lid like halfway above the other one. Wipe the fallout off, and I already like it. It is so cute. Now I'm gonna take the Sigma Beauty Roxette brush. This is the collaboration brush, and this is the Midnight Sweeper brush. And then I'm gonna take the Artist Couture's Midnight Maven palette, and I'm gonna take the shade Rendezvous, and I'm going to shade it in halfway, like right above that last color, halfway, kind of an outer V, and just shade it in with that color. It's like a perfect blend with that last color because it's a really pretty teal color, but it has a little bit of black in it. Oh, and I'm taking this Build and Blend brush to blend it all together. Now I'm gonna take this teal glitter. This is from LA Girl. It is called Oh So Extra. It's a really, really pretty teal glitter, just like my outfit. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take one of these. This is the Pigment Packer from MOTD. I'm gonna spray it, take that glitter, and I'm gonna put it on my eye in the front. Now I'm gonna go into my face. I'm gonna take this Kate Somerville Retinol Vitamin C Moisturizer. I love this moisturizer so much. It smells so good and it feels so good. And I love Kate Somerville because that's where I get my facials and they have amazing products. I'm gonna put that moisturizer all over my face. I wanna be hydrated all night and be at a party, going out, being around people. I just wanna look and be hydrated. And if you have cocktails, your skin does also dry out because your body gets dehydrated. So make sure you're extra hydrated if you are going out and going drinking. And now I'm gonna put on some eye cream. This is the Tatcha Silk Peony Eye Cream. It's amazing. It's a little bit thicker, which I like for eye creams. And then I'm gonna be using the Mercier Foundation Primer all over my face. Also a hydrating one, so it's really good for going out. And I have dry skin also, so for me, everything hydrating is so good. And then I'm gonna be doing my foundation. This is the Hourglass Vanish Foundation, the liquid one. It's amazing, I love it. I've talked about it before and used it in a lot of tutorials. Use that and put it all over my face.
Take another hit.
And then I'm gonna do my concealer. This is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Medium.
Try. Here we go again, fucking on my head, staying home and getting stoned instead. I know that I shouldn't, I can't prioritize.
I literally use the same techniques that I used in my contour video, like, I don't know, 7 years ago. But if you guys want me to do an updated foundation routine, let me know and I will do one. I'm gonna set my concealer with Laura Mercier's translucent powder. And then I'm gonna do my contouring right now. This is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Medium Dark Amande. I really love this contour color. I do it on my jawline, cheeks, and then around my forehead. I'm gonna use a different beauty blender just because I feel like the other one has so much stuff on it. I'm gonna take this dual fiber blend brush, take a little bit of the contour shade, and do a light contour on the nose. I didn't want to use the actual applicator because I didn't want to get too much. I don't really like to contour too much on the nose, just because I feel like I don't really need to that much. So that's the basic bronzer right now with the contour liquid. I'll add the powder after, but I'm gonna do my eyebrows to take Benefit's Highbrow to highlight under my eyebrows. I'm gonna take this Kelly Baker Brows highlighter brush and just blend out under my eyebrows. I'm gonna take Precisely My Brow by Benefit Cosmetics and I'm going to fill in my brows with the shade number 4. Now I'm gonna smoke out the bottom. I'm going to take MAC's Graph Black and fill in my waterline with this black eyeliner. It's one of my favorites. And then I'm gonna take the Huda Sapphire Obsessions palette again. I'm gonna take this corner teal color right here, and I'm gonna take this MOTD Pencil Me In brush, and I'm going to smoke out my lower lid.
Here we go again, fucking on my head, staying home and getting stoned instead. I know that I shouldn't.
Then I'm gonna go into the Artist Couture palette, the same pencil brush, take the shade Rendezvous. smoke out the lower lash line halfway towards the outer end of the eye.
Can't stop this cycle, making me go psycho. Voices in my
And then I'm going to take the same pencil brush and I'm going to take the black shade, the shade Plunge from the One Flawless palette, and I'm going to fill it in on the top part of the lid with black.
my energy. Yeah.
Just like the very corner, just to create a super smoky look. And then I'm gonna take the Hank & Henry Blickety Black eyeliner. This is an amazing liquid liner. I've been using this literally this whole week. And I'm going to wing out my eyes.
But I can't take it slow. Drink a little more, lay it on the floor. People knocking on the bathroom door. Try to play cool, but everybody knows I keep messing up things.
And then I'm gonna take my lashes. This is the Baddie Bee lashes in the style Baddie. I really love these lashes.
I can't stop this cycle, making me go psycho. Voices in my head go. Fuck, I always sabotage myself. This shit's always my fault.
Alright, so now I'm going to do my cheeks and then my lips. So I'm going to take this NARS Orgasm Infatuation palette. Love this palette so much. Take a big bronzing brush and I'm going to bronze my cheeks. And then I'm going to add some blush right here in the middle with the same brush. And then I'm gonna add some highlight. I'm gonna take the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in the shade Illuminati.
Got me wasting
And then I'm gonna line my lips with MAC's Strip Down.
I sabotage myself. This shit's always my fault and no one else. 'Cause
And then I'm going to fill in my lips with this lipstick, MAC's Honey Love.
yeah, I always sabotage myself, sabotage.
And on top of my lips, I'm going to be putting on Artist Couture's Foreplay Lip Gloss. I've been loving this lip gloss a lot. It's like my fave right now. All done. I'm gonna spray my face with Urban Decay's D-Slick Setting Spray. And I'm done with my look.
'Cause I worry what they think of me. Got me wasting all my energy.
Alright guys, so that's it for my teal Playboy bunny makeup tutorial. I hope you guys like this video. I really love this look and I really love my outfit. So I cannot wait to go out with this look, but I hope you guys like this tutorial. And if you guys are doing a Halloween costume or a Playboy bunny, it's super easy to make this costume. Just go get some bunny ears or you can make them. And then this kit, I'll link it below and you guys can get it as well. So it comes with a little tail as well. So definitely check it out if you guys want to do this look. If you guys do this look, let me know on my Instagram. I'll be posting photos and videos of this look. Thank you guys so much again for watching my videos and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys. Mwah.